Paris, often referred to as the City of Light, stands as a timeless and iconic destination that embodies art, culture, history, and romance. This enchanting metropolis on the banks of the Seine River offers an unparalleled range of attractions and experiences that captivate visitors from around the world. The Eiffel Tower, an emblematic symbol of Paris, is a must-visit landmark that provides panoramic views of the city from its observation decks. Whether admired during the day against the backdrop of Parisian rooftops or illuminated at night, the tower's charm is irresistible. The Louvre, one of the world's largest and most famous museums, is a treasure trove of art and history. Home to iconic works such as the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo, the Louvre's extensive collections span centuries and civilizations, offering an immersive journey through human creativity. The Champs-Élysées, a grand avenue lined with theaters, cafes, luxury boutiques, and historic landmarks, leads to the Arc de Triomphe. This majestic monument commemorates the fallen soldiers and serves as a hub of celebration during significant moments in French history. Notre Dame Cathedral, despite the tragic fire in 2019, remains an architectural masterpiece and symbol of Gothic art and spirituality. Nearby, the Île de la Cité is the historical heart of Paris, with attractions like Sainte-Chapelle and the Conciergerie evoking centuries of history. The Latin Quarter, a lively neighborhood known for its student life, bookshops, and artistic ambience, offers a glimpse into Parisian bohemian culture. The Sorbonne University and the Pantheon are among the area's intellectual and architectural highlights. Montmartre, crowned by the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica, is a hilltop district that exudes artistic charm. The Place du Tertre is a haven for artists and visitors alike, offering a chance to have a portrait painted or simply soak in the creative energy. Parisian cuisine is a culinary journey that celebrates gourmet delights, from buttery croissants and café au lait to exquisite pastries and fine dining experiences. Traditional bistros, like those in Le Marais, offer quintessential French dishes such as coq au vin and bœuf bourguignon. The Seine River, flowing through the heart of the city, offers romantic boat cruises that provide a unique perspective of Parisian landmarks. The Île Saint-Louis, a serene island in the Seine, offers quaint streets and artisanal boutiques. Paris's commitment to the arts is reflected in its vibrant cultural scene, with theaters, galleries, and music venues offering performances that span genres and eras. The Opera Garnier, a masterpiece of 19th-century architecture, hosts opera and ballet performances that transport audiences to a world of artistry and elegance. In essence, Paris is a city that beckons travelers with its unparalleled charm and cultural richness. Whether it's exploring historic landmarks, indulging in culinary delights, strolling along romantic boulevards, or immersing in artistic experiences, Paris invites visitors to embark on a journey that captures the essence of beauty, sophistication, and joie de vivre.